Renthead.
She's a Renthead. Yeah.
I've seen Rent probably 20 different times.
It is unlike anything else you will ever see.
Tonight's production was as good as any I've ever seen. It was really amazing.
It is such a feel-good show.
The show's left me feeling quite, I suppose, like empowered in a way. It's very like, it's uplifting. It's got such an important message.
It's like a roller coaster of emotions. It's incredible.
I'm shaking. It was just so good.
I think the voices are amazing, and I think the actors portrayed it brilliantly.
It's a different interpretation. It's more cast-oriented, and I like that part because there were strong voices.
Every character has a chance to shine in the show.
Yeah, this time.
There isn't just one, all of them.
But it brought the tears for all of us again, just like it did the first time.
I've been waiting to see Rent live on stage for probably about 3 years, and it did not disappoint at all.
I flew in especially from Hong Kong to see it tonight.
They've flown all the way from Canada just to see the show.
Fantastic, absolutely amazing.
I loved it. I cried my eyes out.
The meaning behind what was written is still more relevant today than ever, and I think all people around the world should see it and hopefully head more in the direction that Jonathan Larson wanted us to.
Indescribable.
Breathtaking.
Spectacular.
Heartbreaking.
Full of love.
Amazing.
Go and see it!